Aloha, my name's Cully. Just wanted to hop on here and introduce myself. I'm gonna be experiencing a whole lot of shifts here soon with starting E on Sunday. It's now Wednesday and I'm very excited. You know, I've really been discerning on doing this for a long time, but it's something that I know that will bring me a lot of peace and a lot of joy, a lot of beauty. I already see myself as very feminine. You know, I see myself as very androgynous already, and I've been able to embody so much of that in my life up until this point naturally. But being able to have an avenue for self-expression and identity with this, you know, new form of medication, I guess, that will help me embody myself more fully. I'm very much looking forward to it. Just wanted to share you my fit, my presence. So yeah, I hope you guys will join me for many more videos as I continue to grow in myself as a divine feminine being, and I hope you guys want to be my friend and want to expand and grow with me. So, nice to meet you all, and mahalo nui loa. Hello and welcome back once again to my channel, where I'm going to be sharing with you quietly my experiences thus far. I'm just so excited to be known and shared about and considered in the world and loved. This is all just natural beauty with no hormone replacement yet. But soon, we're going to see even newer, higher levels of cuteness and adorableness. Maybe even healthier, more beautiful hair. I don't know.